Unit 9, Developing Vocabulary and Listening. Exercises 5 and 6.
We know that Tutankhamun was the king of ancient Egypt about 3,300 years ago. And then, in 1922, the archaeologist Howard Carter found his tomb, his mummy with some amazing gold and fantastic treasure, in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt. Imagine how Carter felt. For an Egyptologist at the time, it must have been a life-changing moment. If Carter hadn't made that incredible discovery, his life would have been completely different. But there is one mystery that has puzzled scientists for many years. Why King Tut died so young. We know from DNA testing that he was just a teenager, and that he must have died aged 18 or 19. He reigned from 1333 BC to 1324 BC, so for around 10 years. It was suggested that King Tut's death could have been because he was injured when fighting, or that he was killed by a hippopotamus when hunting, or that he fell from a chariot behind his horse. However, modern DNA tests and scans of his body have shown that Tutankhamun was really not a physically fit man, which would mean that these theories can't be true. In fact, King Tut wasn't healthy at all. He had a bone disease, which he inherited from one of his parents, and his foot was permanently damaged, so he walked with a limp and used a walking stick to help him. Inside his tomb, they found 130 walking sticks. Some of them had been used. So, given the evidence, it's very unlikely that he was fighting, hunting, or even chariot racing during his lifetime. If he had been healthy, these activities would have been totally normal for a king. There was also a theory that he may have been killed, because his body was very badly damaged in many places. But modern scientific analysis shows that only one break, a broken leg, happened before his death. The other breaks must have occurred afterwards, when his body was moved. So, using modern technology, scientists have concluded that, with his bone disease and other problems, King Tut probably just fell and broke his leg. Then he must have got some sort of infection, which killed him. The good quality of the DNA in the mummy has really helped to solve the mysteries. If the Egyptians hadn't embalmed their pharaohs' bodies with special oils, then the DNA would not have kept so well.